How to be successful. How to be successful. Para maging success. Sino ba mga nilulook up mo to? Sino mga idol mo? Na success na ngayon, oo. Right, how to be successful. As well, as I have said, this channel and this vlog is about love and life advices. So better watch all the time. Oo, okay, yes. How to be successful. Dapat, may formula ka and techniques. To reach your desired success in life. Oo, right. Okay. Yes, how to be successful. Be a success. Hope for the best. Reach your highest. Push towards your goals in life. Reach that dream, okay? How to be successful. Mag-law of attraction ka. Power of words, visualization techniques. Kahit affirmations pa, oo. First thing that you would think in the morning are your dreams, goals, and wants in life. While for the moment, throughout your day is to do those things to make all of it come true. Yes. Reach your dreams. Reach your dreams. Okay, how to be successful. The night before you sleep is to think all of it too. Daydream about it, but also do the steps upon reaching it too. Right, diba? Okay. How to be successful. Paano maging matagumpay sa buhay? Okay, mangarap ka. At to pa rin ito, okay. How to be successful. Think of it always in your head. And don't let go of that thought. But have breaks and rests too. Right, okay, yes. How to be successful. How? Tell me how, paano. Think of your future, the future you. Embrace it, na nandoon ka na. Sa points of success, yes, okay. How to be successful, maging matagumpay ka. I-attract mo ito sa buhay mo. Make it a daily habit. Na nagpo-push through ka about life. Oo, totoo. Okay, yes, right. Opo. Opo. Okay, tama yon. Doon ka sa diretsong daan. Sa tama, sa mga pangarap mo. Huwag kang susuko and don't give up. Push through. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe.